What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to color Goku as a pro. It's very easy. So first you're going to need the skin color. This is skin tone. We always use 3 shades of color. The light shade, which I call the first shade, the second shade, and the third. This is like 3 layers. You understand? The lighter, the middle, and the darker. So first, what I always do is that I use the second shade, that is the middle shade. You understand? So I will not waste marker, I will not waste ink. Using this will prevent you from wasting the first shade, which is the lighter shade, because you have to, color the whole body. Whereas you just use this second shade, So let me leave you guys to the video. This is the drawing tutorial. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Support me, support my channel, support the movement, and peace out. So after using the second layer, the middle layer, we're always going to use the darker layer, the darker shade to outline the body structure, the muscles and everything. This is the last shade, the last layer you get. Now we're going to be doing this. As you can see, I'm going very, very slow, very, very steady. You don't rush when you're drawing, you understand? You have to do it very, very slow to get the right proportions and the right angles without coloring out of the the outline, you get.
Too hard. We were traveling mountains just to find the loudest tears. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am.
Once we are done using the second and third shade, we'll now go with the first shade. This is the method I use. I use the second and third shade before I continue with the first shade. This is the lighter color. First shade is the lighter color, the first color. You understand? And I want to let you guys know something. Anytime you're coloring an anime character or Goku, you have to always know where the light is coming from. This will help you to determine the way you're going to color the whole drawing. For example, now the light is coming from the left, which means that the left side will have to be more lighter than the dark side, than the right side, as you can see. You get? So that is the procedure I always use. Now we're going to go with the hair. The same thing, 3 shades, 3 layers, the same thing. If we're going to use this second layer, to start. This method I use is not to waste marker. We don't start with the first. We start with the second, and then the third, and then finish up with the first, which is the lighter parts or the lighter layer, or the first layer.
Didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
Then we continue the same thing with the clothes, what I call a stash. As you can see, 3 layers, first, second, third. The same method we used is the same I'm going to be using to finish up this drawing.